What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns. जो words nouns और pronouns को describe करते हैं, उनके बारे में बताते हैं, उन्हें adjectives कहते हैं. For example, old, red, beautiful, cheerful. Adjectives are also called describing words. Adjectives को हम describing words भी कहते हैं. As the placement of words can significantly affect the meaning of a sentence, it is important to know the rules regarding the position of words. In this video, we will learn about the position of adjectives in a sentence. On the basis of position of adjectives, we can classify them as attributive adjective, predicative adjective, and postpositive adjective. Attributive adjective. Adjectives that comes before a noun is called an attributive adjective. जो adjective noun के पहले लिखे जाते हैं उन्हें attributive adjectives कहते हैं. For example, a blue umbrella, an elegant dress, an expensive hotel. इन सभी examples में nouns के पहले adjectives का use हुआ है. Some adjectives are only attributive adjectives. They can only come before the noun and not anywhere else in the sentence. कुछ adjectives सिर्फ attributive adjectives ही होते हैं. उनका use हम सिर्फ noun से पहले ही करते हैं और sentence में उनका कहीं और use नहीं होता. Elder, former, indoor, mere, principal, sole, upper, outer, main are few such words. For example, his elder brother is going abroad. In this sentence, the adjective elder is coming before the noun brother. If we write it as his brother elder is going abroad, that will be wrong. More than one attributive adjective can come side by side to modify the same noun. एक ही noun को modify करने के लिए हम एक से ज़्यादा attributive adjectives का use साथ साथ कर सकते हैं. For example, a funny little clown, an ugly old witch. इन दोनों ही examples में हमने दो attributive adjectives का use same noun को describe करने के लिए किए हैं. Predicative adjectives. Adjective that comes after a noun is called a predicative adjective. जो adjective noun के बाद आते हैं उन्हें predicative adjective कहते हैं. For example, the girl looks happy. The flowers are beautiful. यहाँ पर happy and beautiful predicative adjectives हैं जो noun के बाद आए हैं. Predicative adjective says something about the subject of the sentence. It comes after the linking verb. Predicative adjectives sentence के subject के बारे में बताते हैं. Predicative adjectives linking verb के बाद use किए जाते हैं. For example, the stranger looks scary. The boss appears angry. The milk tastes sour. In all these examples, the predicative adjective is coming after the linking verb. There are adjectives that can be used only as predicative adjective. These words can only be used after a noun and not anywhere else. कुछ adjectives ऐसे होते हैं जिनका use सिर्फ predicative adjectives की तरह ही होता है. उनका use सिर्फ और सिर्फ noun के बाद ही होता है और कहीं नहीं होता. Afraid, alert, asleep, ill, glad, near, sorry, pleased, poorly, awake, aware are few such words. For example, my grandmother is asleep. Here, asleep is a predicative adjective. Attributive and predicative adjective in the same sentence. More than one adjective can appear in a sentence describing the same noun. एक ही noun को describe करने के लिए एक से ज़्यादा adjectives का use हम एक ही sentence में कर सकते हैं. For example, the pretty girl is angry with her friend. In this example, pretty is an attributive adjective, angry is a predicative adjective, and they are describing one noun, that is the girl. Postpositive adjectives. Adjectives coming immediately after a noun or a pronoun is called postpositive adjective. जो adjective noun या pronoun के एकदम बाद use किया जाता है उन्हें postpositive adjective कहते हैं. For example, someone had left the window open. Here, open is a post-positive adjective as it is coming after the noun window. Here are some more examples. Go through these examples to understand the position of adjectives in a sentence in a better way. If you find our videos helpful, do share them with your friends too. Let's summarize what we have learned till now. Attributive adjective comes before the noun. Predicative adjective comes after the noun and the linking verb. Post-positive adjective comes immediately after the noun. Identify the type of position of adjectives in the following sentences and write the answers in the comment box.